Just 2 weeks after celebrating a grand reopening, Vintage Hair Company in Kerr County was destroyed by historic flooding on July the 4th. KENS 5 reporter Simone Simpson met the small business owner, forced to start from scratch.
AJ Nelson says it's hard to ask for help. She's a former first responder with the Ingram Volunteer Fire Department who lost everything in her hair salon.
I had more fish in my salon than I had possessions. Initially, I couldn't get to my business. To keep that calm that I needed to get through, I went and did the next best thing that I knew to do, which was help at the fire department.
Nelson lost $35,000 worth of equipment, supplies, and furniture at her salon, Vintage Hair Company, but still served her community, not being able to see the state of her source of income.
I called the chief and said, "What do you need?" She said, "I need you in here and take over, put out snacks, fill waters, whatever they needed, I was there."
The mother of 3 teaching her kids the act of servitude.
Hopefully they carry it with them through their lives.
Despite the devastation, AJ is committed to staying in the community and reopening her doors again. A GoFundMe was created to help.
I'm going to be honest, I don't remember that first 24 hours much. It's kind of a blur. I do know I FaceTimed my mom, and her and my dad came up, and I know we started pulling out stuff, trying to see if anything could be salvaged. I tried to do what I could.
What the floodwaters didn't sweep away was her determination to rebuild.
We're going to come back. We'll be stronger than we were before.
Reporting from Ingram, Simone Simpson, KENS 5.